What is the future value if 10,000 is compounded annually at an interest rate of 2% in 5 years? The given is P, the principal or present value, 10,000. The interest rate, this is 2% or 0.02. Time in years or term, T is 5 years. Ang ano natin dito is F. Ano yung F? Yun yung future value or yung maturity value. The formula in finding the future value is F equals P times the quantity 1 plus R raised to T. Ang P natin is 10,000 times 1 plus interest rate of 2% or 0.02 raised to T, 5 years. Ang una nyong gagawin ay i-add ito. 1 plus 0.02 is 1.02 raised to 5. So, then, erase nyo itong 1.02 sa 5. Then, saka nyo multiply sa 10,000. And the product is 11,040.081. Our answer is letter A. What is the present value of 50,000 due in 7 years if money is worth 10% compounded annually? Our given is F. F is 50,000. The interest rate is 10% or equivalent to 0.1. Ang T natin is 7 years. So, ano po ang hinahanap? Ang hinahanap natin is P. So, yung principal amount. Kung i-derive natin yung formula mula sa F equals P times the quantity 1 plus R raised to T, para makuha yung P, i-divide lang natin yan both sides sa 1 plus R raised to T. 1 plus R raised to T. Cancel. So, P is equal to F over 1 plus R raised to T. Our F is 50,000 over 1 plus 0.1 raised to 7. So, unahin nyo muna i-add yung 1 plus 0.1 raised to 7. Then, 50,000 divided by dun sa answer, ang sagot diyan is 25,657.91. So, our answer is letter B. What is the interest of 25,000 if invested at 4.5% compounded annually in 3 years and 2 months? Given is P. P is 25,000. R is 4.5% or 0.045. Our T, this is 3 years and 2 months, 3 and 2 over 12. So, kapag months ang pinag-uusapan, i-divide nyo yung given na months doon sa 12. So, 12 months sa isang taon. In finding the interest ang hinahanap dito, una natin kunin yung F. Dahil ang interest is equal to F minus P. So, yung F ang una natin kukunin, F is equal to P times 1 plus R raised to T. Our P is 25,000 times 1 plus 0.045 raised to 3 and 2 over 12, this is equivalent to 3.1667. Kung ililipat natin sa decimal notation. So, unahin natin itong 25,000. 1 plus 0.045 is equal to 1.045 raised to 3.1667. Unahin nyo muna yung 1.045 raised to 3.1667. Then, i-multiply nyo sa 25. So, ang answer dito ay 28,739.22. So, meron na tayong F. Then, proceed tayo dun sa interest. Kasi ang hinahanap is interest. Interest, compounded annually, this is equal to F minus P. Our F is 28,739.22 minus the principal amount na 25,000. So, ang sagot dyan is 3,739.22. Our answer is letter C. What is the maturity value if 10,000 is deposited in a bank at 2% compounded quarterly for 5 years? In finding the maturity value, kapag compounded quarterly, meron tayong ibang formula. Our F is equal to P times the quantity 1 plus R over M raised to MT. Wherein yung P natin, ito yung principal amount. R, yung rate of interest, annual rate. Then yung M, yan yung frequency of conversion. Then T, yan yung term or time in years. Sa given natin, P is 10,000. Our rate is 0.02 or 2%. Ang T is 5 years. Ano yung M? So, yung M, since ito ay quarterly, meron tayong 4 na quarter sa loob na isang taon. Our M is 4. Then, i-substitute natin dito sa formula. P is 10,000 times 1 plus our R is 0.02 over M over 4 raised to MT. Our M is 4 times T, this is 5. So, this is equivalent to 10,000 times the quantity of 1 plus 0.02 over 4 is equivalent to 0.005. And 4 times 5, this is equal to 20. So, unahin nyo muna ito, nasa loob, 10,000 times 1 plus 0.005, this is equivalent to 1.005 raised to 20. Then the product is 11,048.96. Our answer is letter A. What is the present value of 50,000 due in 4 years if money is invested at 12% compounded semi-annually? So our given is F equals 50,000. Ang time natin is 4 years. Then, ang rate is 12% or 0.12. M, or the frequency of conversion, since ito ay semi-annually, so meron tayong dalawa. Semi-annually, ibig sabihin sa loob ng isang taon, yung semi-annually ay 6,6. So, our unknown is P, or the principal amount. P is equal to F over 1 plus R over M raised to MT or TM. Pwedeng baligtaran doon. F is 50,000 over 1 plus rate 0.12 over 2 raised to 2 times 4. So 50,000 over 1 plus 0.12 over 2 is equal to 0.06 raised to 2 times 4. This is 8. So, kung i-divide natin yan, ang magiging sagot dyan is 31,370.62. Our answer is letter B. So, kapag siya ay monthly, ang M natin is 12. Pag quarterly, our M is 4. Semi-annually, M is 2.